In this video, we learn how to create a project dialog. We create a circular project dialog and we create a horizontal project dialog. Create a new project and name it project dialog. Go to our layout and add a button. Whenever user clicks on this button, we want to show him a project dialog. Now go to main activity, get a reference of our button and set a click event for it. Now it's time to create our project dialog. We create an object of type project dialog and pass a context to it. We use main activity.this. We use a set chance label for our project dialog to true, and we can set its title to anything we want. We use set title method, and we can use a set message method to change the project dialog message. We can use set project style to set it to a circular project dialog or a horizontal project dialog. At first, we use a style spinner for a spinner project dialog, and we use set indeterminate to true to make it an indeterminate project dialog, and we use show. Now we run our app, and when user clicks on this button, an indeterminate project dialog of type circular will show. Now it's time to create an horizontal project dialog. We change the project style to a style horizontal and change the indeterminate to false. And we want to update our project dialog after some milliseconds. We use new countdown timer. We use countdown timer and new it and start it. Now it's time to override two methods this class have, onTeach and onFinish. We want to override onTeach method first. We create a counter, and whenever this countdown timer teach, we want to update our project dialog. And if counter equals to 100, we want to cancel our project dialog. We want to close it. Else, we want to update our project dialog. We use project dialog dot set project and pass a counter plus plus. Now run the app. This is our button, and this is our horizontal project dialog, and when it finishes, it closes project dialog automatically. Thank you for watching.